Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate Broadcast. You're watching the Hacker Show. Today we are going to focus on how to set up a Kibana and Elasticsearch for threat hunting. You can go to Google and search Kibana download, and according to your operating system, you can download. In my case, I am helping you to set up in Mac OS, and we are using Apple Silicon Macs. This is the Kibana. Download from here, and then use Elasticsearch. Go to Google, search Elasticsearch, download, and download it. Again, we are going to use Apple Silicon. Once you download, you can navigate to the folder. In my case, I created the folder called Cyber Threat Hunting. You can see, and I have ELK Endpoint Hunting Kibana. This is basically Elasticsearch. This is the Kibana. After extraction, you'll be getting a tar file, and you will be getting a two tar file basically. It means Kibana and Elasticsearch. Right click and you can download the 𝗥𝗂𝗃. Using a 𝗥𝗂𝗃, you can extract the file or any basically framework you can use. Once you extract, you can check this part. Example, it's in my case, copy the path. You can use option from the keyboard. And there's option, by the way, open in terminal. There are many options are available there. Okay, right click and see open in new tab. Open in terminal, copy this as a path name. I'm copying this one. And after that, I'll go to the warp. And after the warp, we can simply go to the CD and paste here. Okay, and you can see clearly we have a two file. I'll go to the Elasticsearch, which is here. We'll go to the bin directory, ls, and you can see we have this many things available there. First, you can start the Elasticsearch like this without sudo. There is no requirement of sudo, by the way, here. This is how you start the Elasticsearch. Okay, I think it started. You can see it is telling that open anyway. We can give the permission. Okay, and always check this area, system setting and general. You can check for the privacy and security. And here, if any message is coming, okay, see here any notification, you can allow. So once you are done with this part, see it is starting. You can see clearly it is working properly, right? Now you can open a new tab. So I'm just checking what exactly it is here. Everything is okay, right? Now we will go back. Then we need to go to the Kibana. We need to go to the bin directory again, ls, and run Kibana like this. Okay, so first Elasticsearch, then Kibana. You can see Kibana is starting. Once it's going to start, you will see the URL. Okay, you need to open the browser. Sometime it's going to give you the tokens and everything under this Elasticsearch. So copy the token from there and you can paste whenever Kibana is going to ask you. So I'm just waiting for the portal. Okay, till here I think it look okay. And now I think we need to see about the local host. This is the local host, which is 5601. I'm simple checking. You can see it is working, right? So exactly you need to start okay on this port, that is 5601. We can also confirm okay using this command called netstate -vent. This is the Mac system, okay? So if you're using a Kali, you need to use PANT. And here, okay, it will show you all the port, whatever the ports are basically, running. The services basically, you can check from here. Okay, so here, okay, you can check. See, this is basically local host, right? This is 8021. Okay, check each and every services, whatever you are running. This is established, you can see. Okay, you can see 5601. Okay, I'm not sure what's the port number, 5601, right? Now here, okay, Elastic, this is basically the username and the password, whatever you set during the installation. And if you are okay, you can see clearly it is started, properly started. And you can see here, these are the dashboard. Okay, basically complete dashboard, you have all the details. And if you want to learn all these things, you can go and check Hacker Associate website. So we teach this whole concept in our program called Cyber Threat Hunting. So you can check this program. So very good program. You will master. Okay, so just check this program and master threat hunting with me. Okay, this is basically just a setup because this is a part of the training. So I want to teach the setup to my students and my all people, okay, who join the community. So they make sure that, okay, they install this particular framework in a proper manner. There's all for this thing. And if you are new to this channel, you can simply go to the LinkedIn. We have 100K plus people join our community, almost 118K plus. Please join our community and we upload videos, materials, okay, like files, the cheat sheet, okay, regular basis. Okay, you can also follow me, okay, and under the LinkedIn, just search 𝗥𝗲𝗀𝗪 and you will find me there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day and see you in the next episode.